no thanks. I watch my book.
Why? This stairs so long. First day I come, only 3 stairs. But now, so many. Oh, so many. But I only left 3 stairs. No, 6 stairs. Okay, I'm on the first floor. Oh, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Thank you for giving me.
Of course. Just enjoying yourself. I'm hungry. Let's eat dinner.
Okay.